Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tradition of using rice mask was originated in Japan. Japanese women are using rice masks for centuries and are famous for their porcelain skin. You probably have heard of benefits of rice for skin, but today in this video you will know how to make traditional Japanese rice mask for soft, smooth and glass skin. With the combination of milk, honey and rice, you will create a complete healing face mask for a smooth, gentle, soft and shining skin. To begin the process of making the rice face mask, there are few items needed. Rice 2 to 3 tablespoons, warm milk 1 tablespoon and honey 1 tablespoon. Take a cooking pan and add the rice into it. Now add 1 cup of water into the pan and boil the rice on the medium flame. Stir the rice while boiling and cook until the rice softens. When rice is well boiled, remove from heat and strain, but save the rice water. Now add 1 tablespoon of warm milk to the boiled rice and stir it well and mash it until it becomes a smooth paste. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey in it and stir until all blend together. Your traditional Japanese rice mask is ready. Now cleanse your face with damp towel and apply this mask with brush on your face and let it dry for 1 hour. For removing rice mask, take rice water that you saved earlier while boiling rice and soak a cotton ball in it and gently scrub it off from your face. After removing this mask, add this rice water in spray bottle and spray it on your face as a toner. The power in rice results from its potent nutrients and numerous skin protecting properties. Rice is rich in antioxidants and natural emollient which prevents wrinkles and also help to protect your skin from damage. It contains para-amino-benzoic acid or vitamin B10 which stimulates cell regrowth. It also helps to brighten your skin tone and give smooth and soft texture to your skin. It can be used for all skin types and is best for oily skin, since it has the ability to absorb excess oil from the skin and give the skin matte finish. Rice powder is also used in certain Asian countries to heal skin irritations and to treat acne. Milk has lactic acid with an alpha hydroxy acid that naturally eats dead skin cells, while honey is antibacterial. It helps to open pores, clear specks of dirt and a remedy for the prevention and treatment of acne. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.